Learn English with your Instill.
At the grocery store. Hi, Liam. What are you doing here?
Hi, Emma. I am buying groceries.
What do you need to buy?
I need milk, bread, and eggs.
Are you cooking something special?
Yes, I will make pancakes.
That sounds delicious. Do you need flour?
Oh, yes. I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Where is the flour section?
It's in aisle 4. Let's go together.
Sure. Do you also need sugar?
Yes, I need a small packet of sugar.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes. What about you?
I like baking cakes.
That's great. What's your favorite cake?
I love chocolate cake.
I should try making one someday.
You should. Do you need vegetables?
Yes, I will get tomatoes and onions.
The vegetables are fresh today.
Yes, they look good.
How often do you shop for groceries?
I shop once a week. And you?
I come twice a week.
That's nice. Let's pay for our items.
Okay. Where is the billing counter?
It's near the entrance.
Do you need help carrying your bags?
No, thank you. I have a small bag.
All right. Enjoy your pancakes, Liam.
Thanks, Emma. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
At the park. Hi, Liam. What are you doing here?
Hi, Emma. I am taking a walk.
The park looks so beautiful today.
Yes, the flowers are blooming.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, I come here every morning.
That's a good habit. Do you walk alone?
Sometimes. Today, my friend is coming.
That's nice. Do you like this park?
Yes, it's peaceful and clean.
What do you like most here?
I like the big trees and fresh air.
Do you sit and relax sometimes?
Yes, I sit on the bench after walking.
Do you see birds here?
Yes, I see many birds near the lake.
Do you feed the birds?
No, but some people bring food for them.
That's good. Are there children playing today?
Yes, they are playing in the playground.
What games do they play?
They play on swings and slides.
Do you do any exercise here?
Yes, I do some stretching after walking.
That's healthy. What time do you leave?
I leave around 8 o'clock.
Do you bring water with you?
Yes, I always carry a water bottle.
That's smart. The sun is getting warmer now.
Yes, it's a good time to go home.
Shall we leave together?
Sure, let's go.
Have a great day, Liam.
Thanks, Emma. You too.
At the school gate. Hi, Liam. Are you waiting for someone?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm waiting for my sister.
Does she study here?
Yes, she is in grade 5.
That's nice. What time does her class end?
It ends at 3:30 p.m.
Are you taking her home?
Yes, I pick her up every day.
That's kind of you. How far is your home?
It's about 15 minutes from here.
Do you walk or take the bus?
We walk. She likes walking.
That's good exercise. Does she enjoy school?
Yes, she loves her teachers and friends.
What is her favorite subject?
She likes math and drawing.
That's great. Does she have homework today?
I think she has some reading to do.
Do you help her with homework?
Sometimes. She's very smart.
That's wonderful. Here come the students.
Yes, I see her now.
She looks happy.
Yes, she always smiles after school.
That's lovely. Does she have any activities after school?
Yes, she has a dance class twice a week.
She must enjoy dancing.
Yes, she loves it a lot.
All right, I'll let you go now. Take care, Liam.
Thanks, Emma. See you later.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.